Hello everybody and welcome to Real and Virtual Outdoors. On today's episode we're going to make a simple chicken noodle soup. This is a low cost, quick and easy soup that anybody can make. Doesn't take a lot of effort, doesn't take a lot of time. So let's talk about the ingredients. First here we've got some onions going in the pot, some butter on them. Cooking those down. We also got some garlic in there with it, and when we get that cooked down just a little bit, we're going to add the following ingredients. We've got some chicken broth. It's just some basic canned chicken. We're going to add some seasoning. It's kind of a thyme, oregano. We're going to put just a bag of mixed vegetables in there. It doesn't have to be anything too expensive, and just a low budget bag of egg noodles. We're going to cook this all together, let it cook a while, and we're going to make a nice chicken noodle soup. We're going to get part of it together, and then we'll come back in sections and show you what we're doing as we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay everybody, we're back on the chicken noodle soup cook. We've got the chicken in, we've got the seasoning in. The seasoning is Italian seasoning, a tablespoon. It's got a tablespoon of garlic, a teaspoon of black pepper, one medium onion, and that had some butter in it. We cooked it down. We've got 4 cups of chicken broth and 4 cups of water. Now we drained the chicken. We've got it on medium heat, and we're going to let this cook down just a little bit, and then we're going to come back to the video when we add the vegetables and the pasta, and we're going to show y'all how we put that all together. And then at the end, we're going to show you the cooked, finished product. And I want to say thank you to Mrs. Real and Virtual for the camera work. She's doing a wonderful job. Thank you. Okay, everybody, we are back on the chicken noodle soup fixing. So we have added the vegetables and we have added the noodles. We brought it to a boil before we put the noodles in. And it's going to take between 7 and 10 minutes to get those noodles cooked. A pretty good sized bag of noodles. And then we're going to come back and do a taste test for you. But in the meantime, I'm going to make a can of biscuits for myself to eat with this. We'll see you shortly. Okay, everybody, we are back and we have a finished product. Those noodles and vegetables have cooked real well. And we did taste it. It tastes very good. It needed a little salt and pepper for our liking, but certainly that's something that you'll have to figure for yourself. Listen, when you make this can be a low salt meal. You can use as little or as much salt as you like. You can buy low sodium chicken broth and replace the canned chicken with cut up pieces of chicken breast. To be a healthy, good dish for everybody. I wanted something that was simple, that everybody could fix and maybe enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. I ask that you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. We're going to be doing some other things. I've got some things coming up I think you'll be interested in. Thank you for being part of the Real and Virtual family, and have a wonderful day.